Hello, this is free versions of Absolutely World's Smallest Lego Puzzle Box, or Boxes. Yeah, uh, here is one. Technically, or mathematic, you see, here's a 4x4, and it's take a little bit of cut a little bit here. So technically, so what you wanna do is you wanna maybe see something in there, but you can't get it out if you don't do like that. And if you open this will say yay. And if someone came and say, wait, there's a stud here, so I made this. It's technically smaller, so you wanna open this, and here is your price. Like that, and it also say yay. And or this could be world's most Lego puzzle box. The key you need is your nails, because you can't shake that out. So if you see it's a little bit sticking out here, if you grab it like that, you can take it away this and open it, and it also say yay. And if you still so yeah, so then I may do like this. If you say that, so this, yeah.